Hi, I'm Rodley from LemTask. Today we are looking at the best setup for daily tasks using simple tasks. This tool is all about companies and organizations, team members, leaders who want to take their companies to the next level, making sure everything is quite easy from project management setups to tracking. This is Simple Tasks homepage. For those who don't have, the link is down in the description below. The first rule is make sure to keep everything clean and straightforward as possible. Most people, what they do is they add so many projects to the companies that they end up not even able to track them. So many projects, so many complicated ways on addressing certain assignments and projects to people. But what if I told you if you just had to keep everything simple? Don't add so many projects as you can within a day. Add which is very important, which has to be done today. If you add 4 to 5 or less projects, it's quite good for in a day so that you can keep things moving good and well. So, with that strategy, it's just simple. You have to write simple projects, not have so many projects that you fail to manage. You need to write projects 4 to 5 that you know that I can able to manage, able to track, and able to continue with what I'm doing. So with that strategy, it will work you very quite well by just using in by just using fewer projects so that you can manage your time better. So when you're managing projects, this place here should have at least 4 to 5 projects that are already in your name so that you can actually track properly, monitor, and able to actually do a lot of things. If you have a lot of projects in hand, that's not going to help you. Instead, it's just going to cause frustration. It's not going to it's not going to work for you. It's not a setup that you want, especially when you are running a company. You need to have certain important projects assigned to certain people and tracking them. The fewer, the better. Even if there are people, even if it's invoices, even if it's documents. But as long as you keep them very short in terms of number, you will be okay. And prioritize them which comes first and which doesn't. Add projects that you need to make company impact, team impact, things that you know are going to go forward. Other lists, schedule them for other days so that the productivity can continue. For context, this is how we approach daily execution in LemTask. Tasks are captured quickly. You can even add tasks using voice and other methods. When it's time to work, you press time. So if you don't have LemTask, this is the homepage. The link is down in the description. Once you press the link, it'll take you straight here. I just want you to pull up your name, email, password, and create. If you do have a promo code, instill it. Fewer steps, more execution. This is LemTask's dashboard. They have so many features whereby they help you to execute productivity and make sure that you're always on the top of your game. But for now, I'm just going to explain one feature, that's the start voice feature. What I want you to do, I want you to go to BrainDump right here. And this is how you reschedule our tasks here at LemTask by using the voice feature. I'll just make two quick examples by showing you. Sending out client documents today. Once I've done that, I have just have to add my time, send out outline documents. Then I would just add it like that. Then I'm just going to make another example. Sending invoices out to the clients today. Once that is done, I just extract And I got my dates already there for me because I gave it an instruction that it's today at the time and at the priority. Once you're done using the voice feature, automatically go to the today section. This is where your tasks stay at hand, things that you have to do stay. So if you just scroll down here, you see that sending out invoices to clients, sending outline documents. So basically, I've already scheduled my task. It's just that I put in the wrong time here, and it's quite easy. You can just automatically adjust it right here. If you just made a mistake like mine, you can just adjust and do that. You just go to the time and you just insert a proper time. So automatically, as you can see, I have 2 hours left before this task, so at hand. So you just that's how you adjust, if you just made a correction with the voice right there. So what's left for me right now is my task ready. I'm waiting when the time is right for me just to jump into my task and execute it. Once I'm done, I give it a tick symbolizing that it's complete, and that's how I execute my task here using LemTask. Simple tasks works for best for companies and organizations. For structured projects, clear ownership and formal tracking. It's powerful when you use the right type of work. The key is choosing the tool that matches your workflow.